Hey everyone, this is Sam from PrismScroll, Day 6 progress update. So today we worked on the ability scores. So basically, for example, if you made a race feature that gave you +2 strength or something like that, that's what we worked on today. So for example, um, like this feature will add a flat bonus, basically flat bonus stuff. So that is correctly calculating when you create a character. So you can kind of see it here. If I select that, it will kind of break down all the different bonuses from features and then from the actual creation. So, for example, like races have, ability bonus scores when you create it, but you can also get effects from features. So, for example, at a higher level. So that is where we are with custom features at the moment. A couple other changes that I wanted to mention as well. When you press the add button in the character creation, the character list screen, you'll see that there is another option, and then I added emojis as well. So there is a other option. So I think sometimes, or I'm pretty sure most people might not have pressed the top left button until something goes wrong. So they might not know how to even get to the creator or know that you can create new things in the first place. So basically by having the add button, which for sure they're definitely going to press because they're going to make a character, if they're wondering how to create something else, you can press the other button which will take you to the creator. And then a similar interface. So that I think will help a little bit. Another thing that I think I found out or I kind of looked into a little bit is if you press a file in your Files app, it would take you to the app, but then it would just get stuck. So I kind of looked into that, and I mean, it shouldn't be like that. So that's kind of a bug. So I ended up figuring out what the problem was with that. So that should be nice. You don't have to use the import button anymore. You could just, when you, let's say you download the batch to your Files app, you could just press the file inside the Files app rather than pressing import and then selecting it. So I like that that improvement there. I mean, there are some other things about some efficiency things with character creation, with like not reloading data so much when you switch items. So like when you switch between class or whatever. So when you switch between these, it reload the whole UI. So there's a little bit of efficiency improvements there. So that is what was worked on today. Tomorrow we're gonna look into the distribute point. So for example, half elves get +1 to 2 different skills, like that sort of thing. That's what we're going to be working on, and that's going to appear in the adjustments pane. And then with whatever time's left, I'll kind of show you what we'll be working on then is the new quick roll interface. So basically the old one can kind of show you here. The old quick roll interface looked like so. If you pressed, so for example, if you press strength, this was the quick roll interface. So basically you could roll really quick, like a dice check or, ability check sort of thing. So this interface is going to give you a little bit more flexibility, and like I said on Twitter, it's going to track advantage and criticals a lot better. So I'm really liking it for that. So for example, there's going to be a lot of different things that you can add to it. For example, I mean, a lot of this isn't implemented yet, but you can cast spells at certain level or whatever, and then it will take the damage at the appropriate thing. So I am excited about this. So, I mean, this is going to already be filled in if you select, like, for example, if you select a spell, it's already going to have all these items. But let's say this is going to kind of change the saved rolls is going to move into this. So you'll have an option to save a roll, and it's going to kind of look like this. So like you can read it out where you like cast at level 4 and it does this much damage, and then it will roll. So that's what it's going to be worked on tomorrow with whatever time's left from the distribute points portion of custom features. All right, a little bit longer video today. Should be exciting to see how this what ends up happening with this tomorrow, how far I get with this. So that will be kind of a interesting video tomorrow. All right, see you then. Later.